Welcome back to Craft Catalog. Let me start by asking you something. Have you ever opened your pantry and felt like everything was stacked on top of everything else, no matter how often you try to organize it? That moment when cans roll, spices disappear behind larger items, and snacks somehow migrate to the wrong shelves? Now imagine discovering that with just a few pieces of wood and less than $20, you could transform the entire space into something structured, functional, and genuinely satisfying to use. Today, we're diving into 5 wooden projects that bring order, style, and practicality into any pantry without stretching your budget. Pantries tend to become cluttered not because we don't organize them, but because we lack the right tools to keep everything in its place. That's where simple wooden projects shine. Wood is affordable, customizable, and strong enough to support the weight of jars, cans, and bottles. Even as a beginner, you can build cheap and effective organizers that instantly change how your pantry looks and functions. The first project focuses on creating additional vertical space. Many pantry shelves are tall, leaving wasted space between items. A wooden riser solves this instantly. Using basic boards and simple measurements, you can create a sturdy lift that allows you to store items on top and underneath. This makes canned goods easier to see, spices more accessible, and snacks neatly separated. Even the smallest pantry suddenly feels larger when every inch is used wisely. Another idea is a wooden divider system designed to keep categories separate. When you create simple wooden channels or frames, items no longer slide, tip over, or mix together. Whether it's pasta, baking supplies, or breakfast foods, these dividers bring structure to every shelf. Because the wood can be cut to any size, the dividers adapt perfectly to your pantry's layout. The next project is a wooden Lazy Susan. Many people think these are hard to make, but they're surprisingly simple with a few materials. A wooden rotating platform instantly solves the problem of lost spices or forgotten sauces. Instead of reaching into the back of the pantry, you just spin and grab exactly what you need. It's functional, satisfying, and stylish, all while costing well under $20. Wooden storage bins are another excellent budget-friendly project. They allow you to group loose items together, making your pantry look cleaner and more intentional. Snacks, produce, drink packets, or even baking ingredients can be neatly stored inside wooden crates that match your style. Add a simple label, and now everything has a home. Lastly, a wall-mounted wooden rack helps use vertical space that usually goes untouched. By adding a slim rack to the inside of a pantry door or an used wall section, you instantly gain extra storage for spices, jars, or small bottles. The wood keeps it strong, the design stays simple, and the cost stays low. Just $20 or less per project, these wooden builds create a pantry that feels organized, calm, and designed with purpose. They're quick, rewarding, and customizable, perfect for beginners and experienced DIYers alike. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more budget-friendly builds and creative wooden projects. Your next pantry upgrade starts right here.